Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So almost exactly like we predicted by 6, 7 in the morning yesterday, the last time I did my GALA video, I was saying that by 6 o'clock in the morning, latest or earliest, we would see a 74-cent GALA, which is basically where we are right now. We actually hit that a little bit earlier at around midnight or so, came down, retested some previous lows, and then we're back up at 74 cents. So we basically almost hit it exactly on the T. I think I was off a little bit by like an hour or so. I was, give or take, but we are at the price target. I think as of right now, we can call this a pretty successful forecast. But what I want to know now is how far up can we go if we do end up going parabolic, right? And I think that that's what's happening right now on GALA. We are going to be closing another bullish trigger on the hour, and we are still sort of overbought on the stochastic. So I am thinking that we are going to be closing bullish. I do think that we're going to close above the bullish channel, and I do think that we are going to go parabolic on GALA. So I'm pretty happy that we are, because I have a heavy position. But where can we actually go, right? I'm thinking we can possibly see $1.35. That is on the very high end of us going parabolic. The next stop would probably be somewhere in the range of like 92 cents to a dollar. Dependent on how big our pushes are, I can definitely see GALA keep running to the high side. Because put it this way, right? Let's see if I can put the chart. There we go. So only two things that can happen right now, really. As of right now, either GALA breaks channel and we run up to like somewhere like between the 90 cents to a dollar area, or it gets rejected, more than likely coming all the way back down to like 53, like somewhere between 53 and like, I don't know, freaking like 53 and 60 cents maybe. So expect right now a move, something like this. I am definitely more on the bullish side, just because the hour is looking like it is going to be closing in the next 41 minutes. Pretty bullish, right? And again, we are overbought on the stochastic. We're at least getting pretty near that 80 level of being overbought. The only thing that I do not like is that we actually broke structure and we're under trend, right? So ideally, I would want us to be up here. So let me delete this so we can see this a little bit better. I'm going to delete the drawings here, or at least the structure points. Delete that. So right now, we were on structure, right? Stochastic structure, right? Boom, 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 boom. So low, high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. We broke down a little bit. Right now, what can possibly happen, which is more than likely, you come up here, you retest the bottom of this trend in the stoch, and then you dive, right? That's kind of what can happen right now, and which is why I'm a little weary of what can happen with GALA right now. So I don't know if it's actually going to go parabolic or if it's going to be going back down to like 53 cents or so. The 4-hour is showing a little bit of signs of weakening on the bull side. But also keep in mind that this fresh candle right here, we do have a fresh candle being weak bullish on the reverse MACD, but we do have a high, right? So the last candle closed at 70 cents. This candle more than likely is going to close around 74 cents. So I wouldn't really call this a weak bear candle. I would say more than likely this is a sign of a continuation. We're probably going to see another fresh bright red candle right here, and I think we're going to keep jumping to the upside. So I think we are headed for 92 cents on GALA. The day is still so I hate using newer tickers because they don't have a lot of information. So the day is still pretty bullish, right? So we can see right now the day is still pretty bullish. I switched over to the Binance ticker for GALA because it's been trading on Binance for a little bit longer, which means that you have a lot more information or a lot more detailed historical info, right? So let's go back to Coinbase. And you guys can do that too, right? Quick tip. There's plenty of GALA USDs. Ideally, I really only use Coinbase just because it's like almost always the first one there. But most of the time, GALA USD or any pair really is probably gonna have the shortest historical time frame on Coinbase, because more than likely on Coinbase it's been trading the least amount of time. So if you want to actually have good historical data, a good historical chart, I recommend probably something like a Binance, or something maybe like I don't know, like a KuCoin, something. Just go through all of them and see which one it's actually been trading for a lot longer, right? But as of right now, like I said, I am bullish on GALA right now. There is a really strong chance that we go run up to like 92 cents. But the only thing that worries me is that we're not on stochastic structure anymore. We actually broke it. There's a chance that we retest the top of this structure and then come back down, right? So there is a chance that we run from here to 92 and then possibly come back to trend at like 76, 75 or something. So as of right now, definitely bullish. As far as it going parabolic, I don't know, because we did break that structure on the stochastic, but we are going to be more than likely closing a bull trigger on the hour. So there's a lot of things that can happen right now. So definitely I'm definitely more weighted towards the bull side. I definitely think there's a stronger chance that we run up to 92 cents. And then, but keep in mind what I think is going to happen. I think that we're going to run up to 92, possibly come back down and retest trend. And then from there, we might move up, right? And then we have to come back and like reassess the TA and everything. But I'm pretty bullish right now, at least towards 92 cents. And then when we get to 92 cents, if we do, then we got to come back and we got to figure out what the new TA is, right? Because at every single level, at every single new price zone, we have to reassess everything. See, we're already at 75. We're about to break all-time highs of what? 76 cents? We're getting pretty close to breaking all-time highs of 76 cents, especially with mana and sand coming down. I can assume that there's a lot of liquidation coming from there and a lot of money being transferred over to GALA or to positions or to tickers that haven't really moved as much as mana or sand. And I can definitely see GALA running up a lot more than what it's doing right now, right? So I'm bullish to 92 cents. If we do get to 92 cents, we got to come back and do TA and see where we can go from there. Do things look bullish? Do things look bearish? No idea, because we haven't gotten there yet. But as of right now, I think we're going to break channel. I think we're going to break the all-time highs. And I think we're headed to 92 cents. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.